What's up guys, it's me Jack and today we're going to play Teardown. So right now we're in a different part of a sandbox. So now we're in the marina. So we're going to mess around the marina and see what we can do and try to destroy as many things as we can like we did in the chemicals. So yeah, we're going to be destroying some stuff and then later on in the day we're going to destroy something else in a different map of sandbox. So yeah, this is basically what we're going to be doing. So we're going to just do some random things. We're going to first cut this fence. I need to turn this down a whole damn lot and turn this to about that. No fires. Can't see a thing. That is heavy. I'm turning it up a little bit. And then we're going to this me just blowtorching perfectly. Nothing's being cut. What the heck? Ah, okay. It's like they're kind of in support with each other. I'm actually gonna make this larger. There we go. Oh, this is a water pipe. It is. Appears to be a water pipe. It's that electricity as well. Bloody hell. If I just made that a little bit taller, I could definitely reach it. Right. Rocket launch. Damn it. Oh. There we go. Not that strong. What about that? I'm gonna go ahead. What the hell just blew up? Okay, that bomb just blew up. How the heck did that happen? That is so weird. There's something haunting me in this map. Okay. That's a weird way to shoot teammates. I have to face in slightly different angle. Oh, oh, back. Bricks fall. Okay, that's not doing anything. Overdose? I think I took too much drugs. I think I just overdosed too much. That made me like, oh. Yeah, I died. It's like slow motion, kind of. It's kind of like slow motion. It's like a slow motion shot. Oh my god. And it is surprisingly strong this time. This is strong. Now, time to destroy both sides of the conversation. Okay, this is officially done. Yeah, no more bridge. It's all gone. So, I'm gonna add some meters. Safer impact. Added 5 meter roll. What the bloody hell did that come from? This is not good. Uh-oh. Damn. There we go. I'm gonna dump these cars. Oh my goodness. Boom. Oh! Even the house was shot. This may or may not take long, and this time I'm not resetting the map. I'm not going to use anything that's going to break the map. I'm just going to try to destroy it. My goal is to destroy it. Destroy everything in it. Interesting. Like sailing away from it. You know, I'm gonna set the whole port on fire. Let that burn to the ground. And it should not spread anywhere else. This is the port of fire. Bro, it stopped already, eh? How can it just stop? The port of hell. Right, I might actually not do another not space engine. I'm not gonna do another teardown video. I'm not gonna do 2 teardown videos, so I might do space engine video later. So we can explore around space and probably just mess around. Just whatever we want to do, really. I don't want to play teardown today. Oh. How far can it go? I don't even know. Uh-oh. Into the fire we go. Oh crap. I should blow it to the earth. Actually, no, I didn't. Okay. That is strong though, that gun. This mini gun is crazy. That's the main house destroyed. That's our main house destroyed. Now to the port. Ow. I'm using my mega gun for the rest of this. Oh! Okay, I don't know what the hell just happened, but that's crazy, isn't it? Oh my god! Why did that happen? Why am I keep dying? I honestly don't understand how you use a flipping weld gun. Bloody hell, that does not sound like a gun reload. It sounds like somebody's sick. That's literally what it sounds like. It just does not sound right. It sounds like an ASMR sound. This is not really in the physics of this game. It's by certain other things. I'm gonna drop some asteroids. I'm gonna get this over with. I'm gonna get some of it upgraded. Oh my god! How many freaking asteroids are there? Well, oh no. Wait, let me get all the asteroids. It's lagging really badly. Oh no. Okay. When I start destroy for that car. Yeah, it's unalived. And add 4 asteroids to this building. Like a square. One more in the center. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goodness me. Right, let's do 8. Let's just bash to the wall. Asteroids make fire. I think these are gonna blow up really badly. Dead. The asteroid stopped for a second. Stop for a second. calm down. I'm just clicking, and this is gonna cause a lot of lag. Get these crates. Uh-oh. Press for impact. Okay, looks like I can keep moving somehow. I'm gonna stack some C4. And if you don't pay me £10,000, I'm gonna force people to go to the centre of the circle. Never mind, it already blew up. Deforestation! Naturization! Even though I don't even know if that's a word, but Seems like a word to me. I guess yeah, peaceful now it's dead. It's like it's impacted very badly. I'm gonna blow up this fish van. Their backs. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to impact myself a little bit there. Oh no! The heck was on me then? It's like something was like trying to break the game. Boom. Boom. Put more C4 down. Boom. I'm destroying every single lamppost. I'm gonna put C4 on them. You're not okay. That's if you don't pay £1,000,000 on my bank account, this will blow up. Even a couple of trees may blow up. That many stuff as I can destroy. So we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. So I've earned a new character. I don't know who the heck he is, but it looks like an old man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe if you want to. This is literally half as long as my other teardown video. So see yous.